What's up, guys? Welcome back to Vintage Air, the coolest place on earth. Speaking of cool, I'd like to introduce you our new product, our Gen 5 kit for our 71 to 73 Mustang Mach 1s. Come on and let's check it out. Up front, we got our condenser kit. It's going to come with your condenser, your dryer, your hard lines. Also, if you guys doing swaps with your compressor on the passenger side, or even if you get a front running from us, puts the compressor on your passenger side. We offer a set of hard lines that'll reach to that side. Make it nice and clean. Let's go inside the vehicle here. Front side. First thing we have is our redesigned compressor bracket. From there, of course, you get your reduced barrier hose kit that runs around to the front of your firewall there, where we have our firewall cover. Real nice, slick looking, frees up a lot of space. Let's go ahead and look inside the car. Alrighty guys, inside the vehicle, of course, we went with the Magnum Max. Has the big blower on it that pushes 20% more airflow through all the 2.5-inch ductwork here in the dash. Also, we have a brand new electronic control panel for this model right here. This kit is also available for without AC vehicles. This is the with. The kit will actually come with your attachments for your non-air vehicle. Also, here in the dash, we put the unit far enough back to where you can use your OEM glove box. Alrighty guys, if you want to make your Mustang even cooler, go ahead and get with our sales team. Give them a holler. They'll get you hooked up. Once again, from Vintage Air, I'm Billy. Be cool. If you need any parts for your system, make sure you call our sales guys. They're very knowledgeable and can help you out. And if you have any problems with your installation, make sure you call our tech team.